Check it. All right, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're going to look at Bitcoin, Ethereum. We're going to look at the charts, technicals, and data. I also am going to show you how to find new and upcoming altcoins before they make the massive move. So I'm going to show you one of many strategies on how to find new and upcoming altcoins in this new Bitcoin bull market that is starting. I'm also going to explain how the new Bitcoin bull market is forming, show you guys with the charts, technicals, and facts in this video. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and hop in the charts, the facts, the data, and see what we have going on. All right, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. In this video, we're going to be looking at Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market. I'm going to give you guys a quick crypto update. We are seeing massive moves for Bitcoin. That move to 30K that I did talk about in my last video is happening, and we're about to see a even bigger move. This is a confirmation of a even bigger move to come for Bitcoin. So we're going to hop in the charts, the technicals, and show you guys what we're looking at. Also show you some altcoins making massive gains, and show you how to find some new popping altcoins that are about to make massive gains. So let's go ahead and hop in the charts to show you what we're looking at for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is moving to the upside. As I said, I do think it's going to decouple from SPY. I do think it's going to be coming to the downside. As you guys can see, SPY is actually moving to the downside. We are seeing SPY to start pulling back. I do think that's going to continue. I think SPY is going to be seeing downside as Bitcoin moves to the upside and starts to decouple from SPY. Now we're seeing Bitcoin push up to that 30K level, and we are simply consolidating around 29,900 and 30,000, consolidating in that range. I do think we're about to make this bull flag pattern and make another push to the upside. As you guys can see, we broke out of that falling or smaller descending micro falling wedge. As we guys see, we had a falling wedge here on the 4-hour and the daily time frame. We had a falling wedge. I did talk about that as well, and if we broke this falling wedge, we would see a push to the upside for Bitcoin. Now I want to point out that we do have this gap fill here for Bitcoin at about 28 to 29,000. So there is a gap fill here, as you guys can see over here on the right hand of the screen. You do have your prices. There is a gap fill here that we will be coming to fill for Bitcoin. Also, we're way outside of the Bollinger Bands. This is basically a short squeeze move for Bitcoin as we got this huge push to the upside. So I do think we could see a push to the downside, but it looks like Bitcoin is actually about to make a move higher before coming to the downside. So again, shorting Bitcoin, not a good idea right now, as Bitcoin could make an initial pump to the upside before coming back to fill this gap, or maybe even just rocketing to the upside, never coming back down to fill the gap. Now that is very, very bullish. I do not want to get too moon boyish, but as you guys can see, we are definitely making impressive moves on Bitcoin, making massive gains over here on the last couple of hours, pushing all the way from 25,000 to 30,000 per Bitcoin. And I do think we're going to be heading back into a crypto bull run. As you guys can see, we're setting up for that very, very beautifully here on the macro, as we have this massive falling wedge structure from the previous bull run, and we have a buy signal here on the weekly time frame. Last time we had this buy signal, we had this run up here and this run up here. I do think we're going to see a very, very nice push for Bitcoin into 2024, 2025 as the halving comes, and see a new bull rally start for Bitcoin. If you go ahead and look on the monthly time frame, Bitcoin is working on a MACD cross on the monthly time frame as well. When in doubt, zoom out, focus on the bigger moves to get the bigger gains. Again, anything under 30,000 is a great buy for Bitcoin, in my personal opinion. Not financial advice, but anything under 30,000 is where I am loading up, and I loaded up all this bear market and in position to make a very nice gain off of this bull run, and I am bullish on crypto long term. Let's go ahead and look at Ethereum's chart and then show you guys some altcoins that are making some gains as well. So Ethereum also making a nice push to the upside, breaking out of this falling wedge. I do think it's going to come back down, retesting this sloping resistance marked here in blue, coming back down for the retest, kind of what you see here in orange, coming back down for the retest. As you guys can see, would be about at 1.8K before making an initial move to the upside. Now again, If we consolidate in this bull flag, you could see Ethereum and Bitcoin push to an initial higher high before coming back to the downside and filling that gap. But we basically had a short squeeze move to the upside. Bitcoin leads the market, and then altcoins follow. As you guys can see, altcoins making impressive gains, Bitcoin making impressive gains as well, altcoins making impressive gains as well. Let's go ahead and look at some altcoins. We have Pepe up 31%. Pepe is up 31%. BCH up 23%. We have GMX up 6%. XLM up 5%. ETH up 5% as well. Flow up 18%. So as you guys can see, altcoins making massive, impressive gains. QNT up 5.8% as Bitcoin pushes to the upside. And I do think once Bitcoin breaks above that 30K level and the Bitcoin bull run is officially started for all the normies, quote unquote normies, we are going to see a push to higher highs. If you go ahead and look at the market psychology as well for Bitcoin, you can see that we have already made a anger and depression, and we're definitely in the disbelief rally. As you guys can see, this was the euphoria rally, then we dropped down into complacency, then dropped down into anger, depression, and this is the disbelief rally. As you guys can see, euphoria rally, then you drop into complacency, drop down into anger and depression. Now we are in that disbelief rally, which is about to start a new bull cycle. As you guys can see, a brand new bull cycle is coming. I want to point out that the crypto fear and greed is moving towards greed. So I would be very, very cautious. Again, you want to do the opposite of the herd. You want to be greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy. Again, this is not extreme greed, but again, buying Bitcoin where I'm buying, I'm loading up under 30,000. That is the key price point for me, loading up under 30,000, getting as much as I can under 30,000 before this next bull run to higher highs. I do think Bitcoin is going to be pushing past 69K in this next bull run, easily pushing past 69K in this next bull run, making a new higher high. So it's very exciting for this. Let's go ahead and look at the Bitcoin dominance. As you guys can see, Bitcoin dominance is at almost all-time highs. 48% on Bitcoin dominance, ETH dominance at 18%. So we're seeing Bitcoin overtake the market and make impressive moves. So this is Lunar Crush. This is how you can find new altcoins that are about to make gains. You can also use the crypto bubbles, but Lunar Crush basically searches the site for social sentiment. This is how to tell if a coin is making a lot of waves on social media, and this is how I can find altcoins. There's multiple ways to find altcoins, but this is a good way to find altcoins. So someone asked me how to find altcoins before they make gains. Go ahead and check out lunarcrush.com and check for the new popping altcoins. As you guys can see, Pepe is at number one right now. And as you guys can see, 32% up for Pepe. Again, when a coin is talked about a lot on social media, you're definitely going to see confluence in that with price movement up to the upside as well. As you guys can see, BCH as well being talked about a lot, and then also having a big movement to the upside. So this is a good way to find new popping altcoins as well as the crypto bubbles. And this is a way personally that I find up and coming meme coins and altcoins before they take off. So guys, this is basically everything I have for you. Also, we do have the news of the Bitcoin ETF possibly getting approved. So if the BTC ETF gets approved, again, price is going to absolutely moon, and we are seeing price run up into that. So this could be a sell the rumor type news, buy the news type thing, or sell the, you know what I mean? Vice versa, but we could see an initial pullback. Again, technical analysis saying we're going to see an initial pullback, but I do think we're going to start a new bull run, gradually moving to the upside as we break out of this falling wedge and make our new uptrend. As you guys can see marked here in white, as we keep holding that support, moving to the high upside, making higher highs and higher lows, beautifully starting a new bull market. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the altcoin and meme coin market. Hopefully you found this video informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like. Subscribe for more content like this. You could become a member from this channel for $2.99 a month. Cancel anytime. You get a ton of perks for becoming a member. I also run a Discord as well. You can ask me about it on Twitter and Instagram. It is $50 for a lifetime invite for the Discord. Or you can support me for free simply by dropping a like, leaving a comment, or pressing subscribe. As always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. Alright, that was the video. If you found it informative, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this, and remember you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates. Also, you can become a member of the channel, $2.99 a month, cancel at any time. You get a ton of perks for doing so. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.